Here I have a VIVO Y93 and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the settings. From the list of settings you need to scroll down and select here the more settings. Then choose app manager. Let's choose here more in that corner and let's choose reset app preferences. So this operation will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default apps for the operations, background data restriction for apps, and all allowed restrictions. What's really important, you will not lose any app data. So if you are aware of this, let's choose reset apps. And that's it. Now you can use your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.